police car light, this is not a drill. AI agents can now design, code, test, and deploy entire apps without a single human writing a line of code. I'm talking about a fundamental shift in how software gets built. In the last 6 months, every major AI lab, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, has released agent mode for their models. And the results are staggering. Let me break down what's changed. First, the headline: OpenAI's latest model can autonomously write production-grade software. We're talking full-stack apps with databases, APIs, authentication, the works. Early testers report that these agents complete tasks in hours that used to take teams weeks. Here's exactly how it works. You describe what you want: build me a task management app with user auth, real-time sync, and a Stripe payment integration, and the agent plans the architecture, chooses the stack, writes every file, runs the tests, and iterates on bugs until it works. No prompting for each function. No hand-holding. Anthropic's Claude is approaching this differently. They've focused on making agents safe and transparent. Their computer use feature lets Claude literally see your screen, move your mouse, and click buttons to build software just like a human developer would. It's slower but more deliberate. Google's Gemini has the deep search advantage. Their agents can scan your entire codebase, understand architecture decisions made years ago, and build new features that fit seamlessly. No breaking changes. Meta's open source models mean anyone can run a coding agent locally for free. The democratization is real. But here's what matters for you: this doesn't mean developers are obsolete. It means the role is evolving. The best developers today are shifting from writing code to directing AI agents, becoming what some call AI orchestrators. Your value isn't in syntax, it's in vision, architecture decisions, and knowing what to build. The developers who embrace this? They're 10x more productive. The ones who ignore it? They're already falling behind. If you're a developer watching this, I want to know, are you using AI agents in your workflow yet? Drop a comment, I read every single one. And if you want to stay ahead of these shifts, hit that subscribe button. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here.